You're waiting for your flight in the lounge, and you decide to observe all the planes taking off and landing at the airport. Then, you notice something interesting. Most of these planes are white, and the others are light-colored. You ask yourself, why are most of them white? Grab a cup of your favorite drink, relax, and let's go on a new journey of fun and exploration together. In today's video, we'll answer the question, why are most airplanes white? To answer the question well, we need to remind ourselves of the main goal of airlines. Besides facilitating travel and transportation over long distances, airlines, like any other company, must ensure financial profitability to continue operating, whether by increasing revenue or reducing expenses. But what does this have to do with the color of airplanes? In fact, there is a connection between the color of the plane and its revenue. Surprisingly, dark colors are actually heavier. A heavier aircraft means more fuel consumption, and therefore higher expenses for the airline. But how can dark colors be heavier? In reality, this is due to the difference in layers. Dark colors require more layers of paint. But that doesn't fully answer our main question. Why white, specifically? While light colors like orange and blue are also common, white is by far the most prevalent. Why don't airlines paint their planes in other colors? The general preference for white is due to additional factors, including lower manufacturing costs. Painting a large vehicle like an airplane is a laborious and expensive process, and opting for a simple color like white helps reduce manufacturing costs. Moreover, white is better at reflecting heat. White also makes routine safety inspections easier, as it's simpler to spot any cracks or damage on a white surface compared to other colors. So, it's now easier to understand why white is chosen: less fuel consumption, easier routine inspections, lower painting costs, and better heat distribution. Despite this, dark colors are not entirely absent. Some airlines do use them on their planes for specific reasons related to the company's identity or particular objectives. This gives us the answer to our question. To add some intrigue, let's pose another small question. Why is white better at reflecting heat than other colors? To answer that, watch our video that addresses that question, titled Why Do Colors Absorb Heat? Now, when you visit the airport again and look at the planes, you'll know why most of them are white. Do you have another question in mind? Share it with us in the comments, and subscribe to the channel to support our meaningful content. Until we meet again, have a safe flight.